Hello Mzansi, on the recent episode, Musamseleku makes Mayeni's day very special. It is her birthday, he took her out for lunch, he bought her flowers, which is something that he hardly ever does. Umakele baked Mayeni a cake to celebrate with Musamseleku. If you remember, there was a time where Musamseleku wanted to spend the whole day with Mayeni on her birthday, and at that time it was not possible because it was Umangwabe's day for her to spend the night with Musamseleku. Umangwabe did not allow Musamseleku to spend the night with Umayeni after celebrating her birthday. This year, it seems like Musamseleku was already prepared to spend the day with Umayeni on her birthday, and it seems like Umakele was the one who sacrificed her day for Musamseleku to spend the entire day with Umayeni. In my opinion, I really loved what I saw between Musamseleku and Umayeni. Mzansi, what are your thoughts about polygamy? Comment below and let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest Mugozi. Till I see you again, bye bye.